think it's fun to let her childish side out and just have a bit of fun and not take herself too seriously.
I thought it was a lot of fun, especially since for someone like myself who doesn't like drawing, I actually found a lot of fun.
It's great activity when you know new people. It's give you the time to observation who they are.
It's good because you're very vulnerable at that moment.
I actually really enjoyed it.
It's a really fun activity. I think it did, David. It brought the energy right up.
That was a lot of fun and really does get the brain to have to think really quick on your feet.
You try not to make mistake, but then you did. Yeah.
I was humbled very quickly.
Not perfect.
Yeah, set the expectations too high.
I thought it was a good chance to be vulnerable and to bond quite quickly.
I like the fact that it develops new neurological pathways without a question, right?
Yeah.
I can feel it.
You'll be clapping, clicking and stomping on your way home.
I felt like there was lots of connection actually and lots of encouragement and team building.